Now that you have your new Descent Mk3 dive computer watch, we're going to show you how to customize the data screens on your activities. The steps covered in this video will apply to all of the Descent Mk3 series watches. Each activity profile has default screens with the most used data fields. You can add to or modify these screens. To begin, press the Start/Stop button to open the Activities and Apps list. Then, scroll through the activity list. Use the Start/Stop button to select the activity you want to edit. For this video, we will be selecting single gas. After reviewing and confirming the dive settings, you can see the data screens for that activity profile. Press and hold the menu button to open the settings menu. Next, scroll down and select Current Activity. Other non-dive activities will list the name based on which one you have selected. Now, select Data Screens. Here, you will be able to scroll through all of the default data screens. Select one of the screens you want to adjust or add. Note, the changes to dive activity fields will be limited to ensure that you retain important dive information. Other activities, such as Run, will allow you to change the layout of how many data fields are displayed on screen. Now select Data Fields. This will bring you to the Custom Screen menu where your data fields are displayed. Now select the field that you would like to change. Then select the specific category you would like to view during the activity. For this video, we are going to select Diving Fields. Select the specific option you would like to view. This will take you back to the Custom Screen menu. You may continue to edit the other fields. When finished, press the back button 3 times. You will see the data field changes on the activity screens. And that's it. Your Descent Mk3 series dive computer watch activity data screens are now set up. To learn more about your device, please see our other videos or visit support.garmin.com.